All right, our first Thai street food. So, don't know what's gonna happen with this one. Am I gonna get sick? Am I gonna be put into bed? Am I gonna love it? I think I'm gonna love it and it's gonna be awesome. So, I can't wait. This dish of fried rice with an egg came a little bit spicy and I don't mind that one bit. Woo! Thai food is absolutely phenomenal. I've had what's thought to be Thai and been with some gringos or layaways and back in the States, and they say, man, you must be crazy for eating food Thai hot, you know, but I think it's even hotter out here in Thailand. It's December and it's about 91 degrees. We're sitting in the shade and it's wonderful. Eating some food, street food, first day in Thailand, and must come and taste Thailand food. It has an authentically natural and spicy kind of flavor to it. So if you're into that, this is definitely the place. And I'm into that, this is definitely a place for food. This is awesome. There's chilies that they mix with an oil. Then they have a soup. I haven't tasted that very much. I've just used it as a dipping sauce so far. But they're on the side spices that they think you should have are these red and green chilies, and they are hotter than jalapenos, that's for sure. And then mix those with garlics and you can get a real good kick. And then this sauce here, it's red with chilies and sweet sauce. And it has a good kick to it. Instead of a sweet and sour kind of a sauce, it's a sweet and spicy kind of a sauce. Whatever it is, it's awesome. Put that on the side and just start mixing up your food with the chilies in various proportions, which I ate all my chilies out. I'm gonna have to refurbish my chilies so I can make it super spicy again. But Thai food is absolutely fabulous. This is a mango smoothie. Now this right here, this is Thai spicy. Thai spicy noodles. I love them, but whoa! This'll make you sweat a little bit. And it's already 90 degrees, so I think I'll be sweating a lot today. Woo! Whatever brand this is, that's the real brand of spicy. Wow. Well, this chicken is absolutely amazing. It's fried up in their Thai sauce, and it's just the perfect combination of fried chicken plus the spicy Thai and the sweet. It's wonderful. Spicy tuna fish salad, Thai style. The most desired American dish of Thailand, Pad Thai. I see some green onions, some crushed up cashews, noodles, lime, eggplant, shrimp. It looks fabulous. Pad Thai airport style. And there is blueberries and kiwi. Deliciousness. Sweet and sour stir-fried vegetable. Thailand style in Bangkok.